Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to another vlog. I am gonna tell you this story before we get started because I woke up at 6 a.m. this morning and I said, great, it's gonna be a wonderful day. I'm gonna start on the right foot. I'm gonna go to the gym. And as I'm locking the front door of my house, I think, oh no, the keys. I left the house keys inside my house and I don't have any spare keys or anything. So I'm like, oh my God, I was so stressed. I called locksmith, they're closed, 6 a.m. in the morning. I called AAA and nobody's picking up the phone. I don't even know if they offer that service. And I Googled it and I don't know what to do, help me, and Gemini on Google. And there was a YouTube video that taught me how to like break into my house, which I was able to do within 15 minutes. And I was just so grateful. But I was kind of like shaken up by the experience that I'm like, I need to get copies of my house just in case this were to happen. You guys know I was born in Dominican Republic. It is very unsafe. So I'm known for like locking myself out of everything all the time because I'm always locking doors. It's just a thing I do, I guess. And I decided that I wanted to clean my car because, let me show you. I went to Florida and I forgot to bring the protector and it looks terrible. So I got all of this stuff right here and supplies because I want to clean and organize my car, and that's what we're going to do today. So I'm about to pull into my house right now and then I'm going to show you everything I got, and it's very budget friendly, but it's going to help me clean all this stuff. So if you need some inspiration or you want to grab some ideas of how to do that, this is the video you want to watch. So let's go and let's get started. All right, guys, so let's assess the situation. This is like the status of my car right now. Like even here, I don't even know what that is. And the back, it's just extremely dirty. All right, so I got myself an emergency kit, bandage scissors. I bought this several years ago. Actually, I have two of those. And it's supposed to, like, if you like hit it, it's supposed to break the glass, and it comes with this little secure thing right here where you can cut the seat belt. The liquid bandage, I got this little bucket. If you've seen, I did a video a couple of years ago and I got these also where I can put like coins and I can just keep it here on the side. Got a multi-use knife. This thing, I swear by this, you guys, like, this is $1.25 now at the Dollar Tree, and I've been using this for almost 8 years. I cannot tell you how many tips I got and compliments daily because saying, oh, my car smells so good. Even when my car was a little dirty, this will do the trick. This is an air refresher. It's the sherry and it smells really, really strong. I think this product is amazing, and for the price, even when they raise at 25 cents, I think it's worth it. I also got like one of these things, I don't know how to call them, rollers, the sticky rollers. So I'm gonna try to vacuum first, and then I'm gonna use the sticky rolling and vacuum again, and hopefully that can do the job. And then I got this bucket so I can put a bag in and I can just keep my trash because I produce a lot of trash, I just realized. And that's it. So let's go and start taking stuff out of the car.
I can hear the sound, I can hear the beat. Feel the bass, I can feel the heat. I can sing along, I can shout and scream. I can feel it taking over me. Ooh la la la, ooh la la la. Hey, hey, ooh la la la, ooh la la la. Hey.
Look how dirty this is. It's so crazy.
I hear it calling for me.
so hot, it's not even funny. I feel like now I'm breathing a little bit better. I'm heading back home, and I didn't wipe down the car. I just vacuumed and washed it. I didn't even dry it because it's so hot, and also because I have some products at home that I'm gonna wipe down the console and everything, make sure it is nice and shiny. After that, I'm going to organize the car because I still have that big bag with everything that was on my car, and I still have to clean the rubber carpets, and then we're going to put the car back together. I feel like everything is just really empty, everything. So I'm probably gonna take like a 10-15 minute break, so I'll see you guys at the house.
I hear it calling for me. I feel the rush from the rhythm. I hear it calling for me. I feel the rush from the rhythm. I hear it calling for me. I feel the rush from the rhythm. I hear it calling for me. I feel it. You feel it too. I feel the rush from the rhythm. I hear it calling for me. I feel the rush from the rhythm. I hear it calling for me. I feel the rush from the rhythm. I hear it calling for me. I feel it. You feel it too.
Okay, so this is gonna be like my little emergency kit. It's basically all kinds of wipes, water, and an actual emergency kit. I'm probably gonna bring a backpack for, you know, just fill it up here or something so I can have more stuff. Sometimes I bring my jumper, but I really don't need it because this car is still kind of new. And this is the back. It's much better than it was before. Definitely improvement. And this is the front. I got a little trash can here. I'm gonna keep I just need to bring my insurance and registration, and this is how it looks, with like pens and 3 antibiotics, a little knife, and some ponytails, so and chargers. And that's it, guys. It's been a very long day. It's been extremely hot. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna go now to take a shower head to toe and relax for the rest of tonight, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.